Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best kitchen innovations to make your life easier. Today, we're introducing the best Yummykin potato, the ultimate solution for making perfectly baked potatoes in just minutes. If you love the taste of a fluffy, tender potato but don't have time to bake it in the oven, this microwave potato cooker is your new best friend. This amazing product allows you to cook a potato quickly and efficiently in your microwave, saving you time without sacrificing quality. No more waiting around for an hour while your potatoes bake in the oven. With the Yummykin potato, you can enjoy a hot, perfectly baked potato in minutes, whether you're in the mood for a simple side dish or something more extravagant like a loaded baked potato. What makes this product truly stand out is its unique design and technology. The Yummykin potato features a patent-pending steam valve that creates a steam pocket inside the cooker, ensuring your potatoes come out tender and fluffy every time. The raised base circulates air for even cooking, so you get the best results without worrying about dry or unevenly cooked potatoes. The possibilities are endless with the Yummykin potato. Whether you're making mashed potatoes, a loaded baked potato, or even a quick snack, this potato cooker is the perfect tool to simplify your kitchen routine. And after you're done cooking, cleanup is a breeze. The Yummykin potato is dishwasher safe, making it easy to maintain and ready for your next meal. The Yummykin potato is compact, measuring just 7.9 inches in diameter and 3.6 inches in height, and is made from durable, high-quality plastic. It's designed to withstand the heat of the microwave, ensuring safety and convenience. Plus, it's also oven-safe, giving you even more flexibility in the kitchen. Say goodbye to waiting and hello to convenience with the best Yummykin potato. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen, making potato cooking as simple as pressing a button. If you're looking for an easy way to enjoy your favorite spuds without all the hassle, the Yummykin potato is the solution you've been waiting for. So why wait? Grab yours today and start enjoying your potatoes like never before.